Hello friends. Would you say you know how to use a computer? Are you learning? Are you a school or college student? If you like computer knowledge, today I will teach you a trick. Also subscribe to this channel for more tricks. The trick is to change the password of a computer, rather than simply going to the control panel and going to the user account and changing the old password and entering a new one. But what if I change my computer password without using my old password? This is what I am teaching today. Please watch the video without skipping. Let's go to the computer. You can go to the computer's search box and type CMD. After CMD, right-click on the mouse and open it from Run Administrator. Now, type net user. This is where you have the most users or accounts on your computer. Here you see, 2 of my computer's users or accounts appear. One of them is my account admin. Type net user admin and new password. That is, then the command to enter is the command completed successfully. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.